How to edit Word documents on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can edit the Word documents on iPhone. Well, the process itself is particularly easy and simple, so let me guide you through. If you want to edit your Word document on iPhone, suppose you got it on mail or any other apps, social media sharing apps, and you can download it to your iPhone. So you can see I have a sample document here. So if I simply tap on it, it will open up the Microsoft Word. Here I'll be able to view it, but I won't be able to edit it. So what you want to do is, instead of getting the Microsoft Word or any other app, you can head over to your app store and you want to download the Google Docs. So simply search in for Google Docs and download this, then sign into it. Once you have done so, you can open up your particular file storage where you have saved your or downloaded your document, right? Then you can tap and hold on it, and then you want to tap on the share option. Once you tap on share here, you can see there is only option for Word. Swipe to the right, tap on more, and then scroll down and select the option that says Docs, that is Google Docs. And then you'll have to first save to Drive. Once you save it to Drive, you can say it'll auto open itself, and now here you'll be able to edit it. So you can see the edit option and you can go ahead and edit it here. So this is how you can edit Word documents on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.